my god, it sounds so good.
Bye-bye. Yeah, no, this thing's
Twin turbo, no way.
only one.
The Goo Lagoon?
Goo Lagoon, bro. Goo Lagoon. That's where SpongeBob
Lagoon.
and Sandy and Patrick and everyone's hanging out right there in Goo Lagoon.
Alex got a new fresh cut. What you doing right now, Alex?
Taking no oil on this goddamn 2022.
I said, please don't go away. I've been lifting weight bags. Please don't throw away all the things that we all had. I'ma die one day, and you probably won't be sad. I'ma pull away OJ in my Gucci bag. Please don't go away. I've been lifting weight bags. Please don't.
I said it once and I'm saying it again. Your boy is not cut out for this, bro. Oh my god. So I'm over here at the Stars and Meat Market. I'm trying to call Brandon because he wanted to go to the gym with me, but it's kind of early. It's about 5:14 in the morning and he's not picking up, so I guess it's just gonna be a solo gym day again. Yeah, let's get into it. I thought this was one that I took a picture of at a car meet before, but it definitely is. I'll put it on the screen though. There's usually like cool cars on the lot over here, but today, this morning, there really isn't. Take that back, I spoke way too soon. I believe this is a ZL1. Back to this Camaro though. It has the grill, ZL1 grill. It has the wing. I'm pretty sure it's a ZL1. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, the guy just started it. I'm gonna have him try and rev it if he comes this way. I really want to try this new boba spot that just opened. Suki Boba and More. Matter of fact, I'm gonna come here on my lunch break because Jamal has never had boba before, so I'm gonna have him try it and get his reaction on camera. He's probably not gonna love it. This is gonna be my opinion. These are Jeremy's cars. He has the RX-8 and this S14, I believe. We'll do a video on these soon. Keep up to date with those. I felt weird recording in their parking lot, but because he was at work and stuff. But yeah, keep up to date with those. He has a pretty cool story on how he got the RX-8 and he built the S14 by himself, I'm pretty sure. They're both Jeff's cars also, I believe, but we'll get more into that when his video comes out. Currently at work, I believe one of my tires is either flat or my strut is blown, and I'm pretty sure it's blown actually. Everyone's telling me to put this thing back to stock, but I don't have any of the stock board parts, and I just... Actually thinking about it, I haven't checked my email yet, so let me check it after I rip these tires. But yeah, hopefully future videos coming up, the RX-8, S15, and maybe Abel's truck before I get to work. What are you doing?
Freaking put
I cut the third time this week, bro. It's too cold.
I'm pretty sure my strut's blown.
Your what?
The coilover's blown.
Oh yeah, dude. Mine back here are macaroni and cheese. It's Sunday, I got a flock of geese in my trunk all the time. You get the gym this morning?
Yeah, I tried to call Brandon, but he didn't pick up.
Yeah, he's me too though.
Then it took me where I could find one at. I'm like, oh my God, I love this thing.
No, really? It took you to the website? What the hell?
Oh, you know that?
What app is that?
The app for that.
What? I didn't even know there was an app for it. What video would you rather see the most? The 1J RX8, the S14 or 15, I don't know which one it is, or the C10 able strut supercharged?
Oh, the 1J. I'm stuck between the 1J and April Truck. You know that.
Are you nervous? We're at Suki.
Suki, I'm talking about
Suki, Boba, and more.
Niggas like to sweat. Know some young niggas like to sweat. Hit bang, take a look bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shorty break. When the money talks, what is there to say?
No way.
Y'all working like that today?
Wait, no, you gotta shake it. What the
I
fuck?
was about to say you.
I didn't know that.
You have to shake it off first, cause then like
You see
the
all the
balls
shit
are
at the
only gonna
bottom?
be at the bottom.
Oh yeah, I ain't trying to eat balls right now.
Yeah, he said he might not like the balls, so.
You
You might not like the balls.
No, did he?
Sorry, man. I'm sorry.
No, did
I
he?
had to hold it in, but I could not.
No, you want the balls.
What?
Not bad, good.
Not bad.
Yo,
I'll try it with the balls.
Yeah.
Wow, my room.
Listen, I'm telling you right now, you should have got the popping boba. Because
Yeah,
the popping
not that
boba
one.
is easier
Or the-
for first time boba
Or the
than
jelly
tapping.
one.
Don't listen to bro. He like El Jalisco's, and he like
No
shit.
Or the
way.
jelly one.
That is the jelly one, I think. That's the tapioca.
No, but the different jelly. Like
Probably. Yeah.
Really?
You would not like the popping one.
No, you would fuck
No,
with the
you would
pasta,
not like the
you would
no.
strawberry or mango.
Now what about that?
The chicken.
Michael
finger.
put us on.
It's that shit right here. It's 10 out of 10 right here.
Oh yeah, Michael put us on. So would you go back?
Yeah.
You gonna try the wings, or would you get it? Would you get a different flavor?
I don't know. I fell up.
What's your favorite flavor?
Of the boba? I like the matcha milk tea. Like, you know, the green matcha shit. I really like it. Some people don't like it because it's like, what is it? Dusty a little bit in consistency. I feel like if you stir it good enough, you're completely good to go. I fuck with it. And then I almost always get the mango popping bubbles. Mango popping bubbles is the shit.